everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create or update GoHighLevel contact on contact form 7 submission. So here, I am managing a marketing agency to promote my business and to generate the leads. I am using contact form 7 on my website. So I have created a special inquiry form and I am using GoHighLevel CRM to manage all my clients and my leads effectively. My objective is that as soon as on contact form 7, whenever an interested client is going to submit the form with their details, automatically that client should be added as a contact in GoHighLevel. Now, to automate this entire process, we will have to set up the connection between contact form 7 and GoHighLevel CRM, and that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business and you want to know that how this automation is actually going to work, for that let me take you all towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I will show you step by step that how we can automatically add new contacts in GoHighLevel CRM on contact form 7 submission. So I'm using contact form 7 for my marketing agency to generate the leads. I have attached this form on my website, which contains the details such as name, email, phone number. As soon as an interested client in any of my services is going to visit my website, they are going to submit this inquiry form. Automatically, that person, that lead should be added as a contact in my CRM. And the CRM I'm using is GoHighLevel CRM. Now, to automate this entire process of adding the contacts who are submitting this contact form 7 in GoHighLevel, we have to set up the connection between contact form 7, that is the plugin of WordPress, and GoHighLevel CRM. And to do that, we are not going to use any kind of coding and programming skills. We are going to set up this connection with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all our daily repetitive tasks without coding or programming skills, that too effortlessly. Okay, so let's get started quickly. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on the sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account, that too just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, here I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on the dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created. And to save our workflows, we can also create separate folders over here. Now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Create or update GoHighLevel contact on contact form 7 submission. After giving the name to my workflow, I'm going to select the folder. So you can see we have list of folders over here. Among these folders, the automation which currently I'm going to create is related to lead management. So automations for lead management will be my specific folder. Now let's click on create. And as we have done that, a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains two extremely important windows, trigger and action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation works. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose my objective is that as soon as a new form is submitted by my client on contact form 7, automatically that person, that client should be added as a contact in GoHighLevel CRM. For that, we have to take contact form 7 in trigger and GoHighLevel in our action step. When we are going to build the connection between these two applications, we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the form is submitted in contact form 7, then only the contact will be created in GoHighLevel CRM, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, let's go towards our trigger step and let us select our trigger application first of all. So over here, our trigger application will be contact form 7. Okay, so let's select that, because we want that when the form will be submitted, then the response should be captured, and when the response will be captured, the workflow should get started. Then we have to select the trigger event. on the happening of which event in contact form 7 you want to capture the response. So when the new form will be submitted in contact form 7, then the response should be captured. As we have done that, you can see we have received a webhook URL. So now we have to build the connection between contact form 7 and Pabbly Connect. So this is the form which I have created for lead inquiry, and here I'm going to build the connection between this form and Pabbly Connect. So we have received some instructions as well. We have to follow the given instructions and we have to insert the webhook URL inside our form. Then this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of every new form submission in contact form 7 towards Pabbly Connect. So let's copy the webhook URL, and do not worry, I am going to show you each and every step what you have to do. So first of all, I will take you towards my WordPress site, as contact form 7 is the plugin of WordPress. After coming on the WordPress site, first of all, you have to make sure that your plugin contact form 7 is already installed in your WordPress site. So from the left side here we have the option of plugins. In this you have to go towards add new plugin and you have to search the name contact form 7. You have to install that plugin and then you have to build the connection. Okay, I have already done that. So now I'm going to go towards the form. So these are all the forms I have created for different purposes. For generating the leads for my marketing agency, this is the form, lead inquiry form, which I have created. So let us open that. In the similar manner, you have to select the specific form which you want to connect. And after coming on the form, you will have to go towards webhook section. After coming on webhook, here it is saying in the instructions that you have to check the box, integrate, send to webhook. Okay, so I have already done that. Now in the webhook URL field, you have to paste a URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. So here I have an existing URL. I'm going to delete it. And now here I'm going to paste the recent webhook URL which I have copied from Pabbly Connect. And done. Now we have to click on save. And now as we have done that, the connection between our contact form and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So we'll go back towards Pabbly Connect. It is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission. How we are going to do that? By simply submitting the form which we have recently connected. So the form I have already opened. I'm going to enter some details over here, some random details to do the submission and capture the response over here. Okay, so let's start with the name. Let's say the name of the person who is submitting this form is Best. And let's say the last name of this person is Lead, Best Lead. Let's say the email is bestlead60@pabblytudes.com and a random phone number I'm going to enter. Alright, now I'm going to submit the form. Alright, so we have submitted the form, and as soon as we have done that, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. In Pabbly Connect, you can see that the response is already captured, and here we have received all the exact details which we have entered while submitting the form. The name of the lead, the email address, and the exact phone number. This means our connection between contact form 7 and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful, and now every time the form will be submitted, the lead inquiry form, by a new client, automatically the response will be captured with all the exact details of that client in Pabbly Connect. Further, when we have received the response, our objective is to add this person, add this lead as a contact in GoHighLevel CRM. So for that, now we have to build the connection between GoHighLevel and Pabbly Connect. So let's move towards our action step. Let us select our action application. To build the connection between GoHighLevel and Pabbly Connect, we have to use a tool with a name as Lead Connector. So let's select Lead Connector V2 over here. Okay, now we have to select the action event. What you want? I want to create the contact. And my objective is that if the person who has submitted the form is already an existing contact of my GoHighLevel CRM, so it should be updated directly. So the event which we will select will be create or update a contact. Let's click on connect. For building this connection, you can see we have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection, just go with that. But I'm going to show you that how you have to build a new one. So you can see I am already logged into my GoHighLevel CRM dashboard. Now we have to go towards add new connection and we have to click on connect with lead connector V2. Now it is asking us to select the agency first of all, which is already selected, and then the sub account. So here we have to select the sub account as Pabbly Connect. And as we have done that, the authorization has become successful and the connection between GoHighLevel CRM and Pabbly Connect is also built successfully. So we will enter the details in these fields to create a contact. Let's start with the first name. So you can see in our earlier response, we have received all the details of the lead to whom we want to add as a contact. First name, last name, email, and the phone number. So instead of entering the data manually, let's map that directly from the previous step. Here the first name is given. When we will select that, it is already mapped. When we have mapped this name, it has become dynamic, and with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. This means every time a new form is going to be submitted in contact form 7 by the client, automatically the details in these fields which we are going to map are going to replace with the new details of that new client. And in this way only we are going to automate the entire process. In the similar manner, we will map all the details. So let's map the last name. If you have received full name in the response, you can map the full name as well. Okay, then we have the email address, phone number, and done. So if you have received other details, you can map them as well. I'm not going to enter them because they are not mandatory and also I have not received them. Now I'm directly going to click on save and send test request button. And here we have received the response. In the response, we have received all the details along with the contact ID. This means that the contact is successfully created in our GoHighLevel CRM account. So let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. We will go towards the contact section over here from the left side. And you can see that yes, automatically a new contact is added with the name as best lead. When I'm going to open this contact, here we have received all the details. Okay, email and the phone number as well. And these details are exactly the same which we have received from the inquiry form. This means our connection between contact form 7 and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And now every time a new form will be submitted by a new lead or a client in contact form 7, that client or lead is going to be added as a contact in GoHighLevel CRM. In this way, you can add all your leads from your form towards your CRM effortlessly and effectively. So once we have completed this automation, let us check whether this automation is running fine or not. So I will take you back towards the form, lead inquiry form, and I'm going to submit this form with some other details this time. Okay, let's say the name of the lead this time is good. And let's say the last name of this lead is lead. Let's say the email is goodlead36@pabblytudes.com. And let's say the phone number is. As soon as I've submitted this form, let's go and check whether this good lead is added as a contact in GoHighLevel or not. So I will take you back towards the contact section of GoHighLevel. And yes, we can see without any manual efforts, the contact is added with the same details. The name is good lead. We have the exact phone number and the email as well. This means our connection is successful and also our workflow is running fine. So you can also very easily create this amazing automation for your business without any coding and any programming skills. I hope this automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.